Welcome to Dorman Products loaded knuckle installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered of medium difficulty by our technicians and should take approximately 1 to 1.5 hours per side to install. Not having to press out the bearing will help save shop time. Begin the install by raising the vehicle up on a lift or use jack. Then remove wheel nuts and tire, and spraying down all axle, control arm, and caliper bolts to help later. Then remove the caliper bolt and caliper. Be sure not to stretch the lines by zip tying caliper to upper control arm. Next, locate and remove the axle nut, followed by the control arm nuts and suspension link nuts. Continue on to removal of the rotor. Then remove the e-brake cable and linkages from rear of knuckle. Be sure to spread the brake shoes to allow brake cable link arms to be removed. You will need to keep the boot and arms for later, as they will be reused. Remove the upper control arm, then the bolt for the toe link and arm. Finally, remove the bolt from the lower control arm. Next, use a hammer, air hammer, or punch to remove the axle from the hub. Make sure to support the knuckle assembly as this is happening. Once removal is complete, simply bolt back on the new loaded knuckle without the need to remove the bearing from the old assembly. Follow removal steps in reverse order for installation.